Hey everybody, Leann Forst here, and today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite products from doTERRA, Copaiba Essential Oil. And it comes both in the soft gel and also in the drip bottle. And I really love this product, and I keep it in my natural medicine cabinet all the time because it has so many powerful uses that it really is one of the most versatile oils. And so just to kind of let you know where Copaiba comes from, it really is doTERRA's answer to CBD oil. Okay, CBD oil came on the market, took it by storm, and pretty soon it was on every grocery store shelf and in personal care products, food, pretty much everywhere. But the problem is that the CBD market is not regulated, and therefore it's really variable as to the quality and the price that you get when you're purchasing CBD oil. You don't know if it's contaminated. You don't know if it's adulterated. You don't know if it's indigenously sourced, if it's potent, it's pure. And of course, sometimes it's not affordable. So doTERRA wanted to come out with a product that is all of those things, that is certified pure therapeutic grade. And of course, to be that, it has to be, the plant has to be harvested at the right time, and the oil needs to be distilled at the right time to have the highest therapeutic markers. And then you also want to have third-party testing, right? So that you know that it's pure and free from all adulteration and contamination. And of course, indigenous sourcing is important. So what CBD oil is and what, as opposed to Copaiba, is they both come from the cannabis plant. But the way that Copaiba is different is that it's not a CBD oil. It's actually a beta-caryophyllene oil, okay? Both of them affect the endocannabinoid system, but CBD is somewhat of a more indirect effect, whereas Copaiba has a direct impact, okay? So with Copaiba, the reason I love it so much is that it really supports whole body wellness. So there's so many ways that it benefits the body. I'm gonna list a few for you. So first, you can use it for immune health. My husband's a brain cancer survivor. He uses it for immune health. My son deals with teenage acne. He uses it for that. I deal with sleep issues, so I use it for a better night's sleep. So really anything that is out of balance, it helps to bring your body back into balance, right? So it's for immune health. It can help with digestive system support, hormone or endocrine support, as well as it being a powerful antioxidant. It's great for any discomfort that you're having, inflammation, your cardiovascular system, and really cognitive benefits, for emotional wellness. So it is one of the first things I reach for. I always want to have it in my medicine cabinet. And of course, on top of it, it is an affordable option for you for whole body wellness. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. Thanks.